Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Chrissy M, and welcome back to my channel. You want to know how I was able to create this nice, sexy Valentine's Day look? Watch the video and find out. Alright, you guys, so I already have cleansed and washed my face. I've already done my brows because my brows look completely warm. So you guys, since my face is freshly cleansed and everything, I'm going to go in with my normal routine that I do for makeup. I'm going to add on this cream, you guys. I have a little bit of acne, like spots down here and here, and I'm trying to fade them away. I'm hoping that it'll work. So I got this cream from Walmart. I think it was like 10 bucks that I've been using to keep my face like moisturized, and you know, it'll help with the spots and anything under my eye, you guys. So I'm just going to apply that on my face before I start adding on my foundation and everything. I'm going to go in with my orange corrector. So this is pretty much going to hide the little bit of darkness that I have here and any spots there on my face, so that when I do my makeup, it's nice and flawless. I'm going to blend this into my face. I'm going to use one of my beauty blenders. Next, I'm going to go in with my Lancome. The color is 420. I'm going to put that on my face as well. I'm going to use a different sponge. I'm going to use a smaller sponge, you guys, for this one, because I don't want that orange to blend in. Okay, you guys, next I'm going to go in, where is it? With my Maybelline. It's a darker shade. And you guys, that orange is like helping. Like, it is helping tremendously, and I love it already. So I'm using the same little brush, you guys. Alright, you guys, once you're done adding on your concealer, however you guys want to do it and add on your concealer, I'm actually going to bake my face because I want this to stay put. I don't want this to, you know, be oily. My skin is very oily, and I want to make sure that I'm securing my concealer or my makeup before I add on my foundation. So you guys, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. white setting powder. I've been using this, if you guys can go to any of my videos, I've been using this powder to bake my face. There are powders that you can get to bake your face. You don't have to use a white one. I'm using a white one because it's translucent when I put it on. And then I'm just gonna put this on my face, you guys. And I'm making a mess, as usual. All right, you guys, so once I let that sit on my face, it should look just very smooth and like matte looking, you guys. So now I'm gonna go in with just kind of like priming my eyes. I'm just gonna add a little bit of a concealer, you guys, and like, you know, smooth it out. I don't really like prime my eyes like that, like, you know, with a primer. Only because I have false lashes on right now, and I've literally already destroyed half of them. So I'm just gonna go in with a concealer, you guys, just to lightly give me a nice brightness to my eyes, so that when I go in and add on my shades, you know, it just makes it pop out more. So now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna use some of these pretty like colors, like the purples, some of the maroons, some of the brighter tones. I'm definitely gonna use. I'm gonna stay away from the dark because, again, this is Valentine's Day, so I definitely wanna have a nice Valentine's Day look. So I'm going to go in here up above my eyelid, like my transition color, you guys. If I can find it. My brush. Where is it? Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush right here, you guys. This is a Morphe Y20. It's more of a blending brush to me. I use it for my transition. So I'm just gonna go in with a lighter shade, you guys, up over above my eye. I'm going to start off with Sparks first. the other side as well, you guys, and do the same thing. You guys, it's like early in the morning. I don't know, normally I'm like super lit, but I am so tired right now. God bless my soul. I be hustling. I think it's like 7, maybe it's like 8 now. But I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning, you guys, so I'm like super exhausted. Like, you work all day. With the color Rockstar, which is right there. And we're just gonna add like lightly. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna take that Lancome what is it? The Lancome 20 color Praline. I'm gonna use this, you guys, and I'm gonna use the flatter and smaller brush as well because my eyelids, you know, they're smaller, so I need a smaller flat brush. And I'm going to add it to my eyelid. Oh, this is gonna be the hardest part, you guys, with lashes. Okay, whatever. Alright, you guys, so we're just gonna go in with this purple gem here, and we're gonna add it to the bottom crease of our eye. And then we're gonna go to the others. And it's Beauty Glazed. So I'm gonna show you guys these colors because they are phenomenal and they're so pigmented. So these are the colors, you guys. I am so like excited to be using these colors. Like, you have no idea. So we're gonna use this lighter purple here to go in the middle of my eye with some of my setting spray, just so that when I take this off of here, it's like pressed into the brush. Hopefully this turns out how I want it to. This glitter seems like it's gonna be a big mess, but we're gonna see. And if you guys could see, that is so bad. That color, like I said, the glitter is messy, but it's so worth it. So worth it. So you guys, now I'm gonna go in with my Mini City palette by Shayla. I got this in Target. It's by Maybelline, you guys. I'm going to go in with this nice magenta, like purple color, and I'm just gonna put it at the very tip of my eye. I'm going to go in with my color Spark Morphe highlighter, and we're just gonna highlight underneath our brows, you guys. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use a lighter color here. This is the mini palette by Maybelline. And we're just gonna go up under our eyes first, because we wanna brighten it. We don't wanna keep it dark like that. Okay, you guys, once we're done with that, we're going to go in, like I stated, the Morphe color Spark, you guys. I love Morphe. And I'm just gonna go up under my brow, you guys. And this is gonna create a nice highlight under. All right, Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to go in with my foundation, my Rihanna Fenty Beauty foundation, you guys. I've actually already added on one coat of it. I'm actually going to go in with another coat of the Rihanna Fenty Beauty foundation with my big blending brush. And I love this foundation, you guys. It's my favorite. If you have oily skin, this is perfect for you because it creates a matte, what do I want to say? A matte for your skin. Let's say that. A matte for your skin. It creates your skin like a matte, like, you know, and it blends very, very well with these. We're gonna go in with the new Rihanna Fenty Beauty Concealer, you guys. Again, this is color 400. I went 2 shades lighter because I am going to be highlighting. If you do want to have your concealer to kind of match up with your makeup because you have scars underneath it and you don't want to follow my procedure for doing, you know, for covering scars, definitely go use your shade that you would use for the Rihanna. So for instance, if I wanted to cover scars, I would use 420 in my concealer and then 420 in my foundation, but because I'm going to highlight, I'm going to use 400 in my concealer because I want a nice glow to my face, little to my face, right? Let me blend in to your skin. And just like the foundation, it's supposed to just blend in over time. Like you let it sit for about 2 minutes, and over time it's supposed to just like blend in. You guys, now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. setting powder. Oh, I'm going to let this sit first. We're going to let this sit, you guys. I'm actually going to go in with my contour palette. I'm just going to contour the rest of my, and we're just going to set. And it should be nice and smooth, you guys. Contour palette from Target. This is, what is it, Black Radiance. And I'm going to use this darker shade here, you guys. And I'm going to glide it along the bottom of my chin. This is creating a nice shape to my face. That one's for sculpting. I'm going to sculpt my face here. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to take this color. This is Artisan Color Baked Blush. Now with the Morphe Spark, you guys. And we're going to gently glide it across there. Alright, you guys, so now once I'm done adding on my blush and my highlight, I'm going to go in with this very sexy gold shimmer powder, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush to gently glide this along my face. Guys, next I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some of that shimmer onto my eyes. We're going to contour our nose. We're just going to make it a little more slimmy. Use this pretty Barbie pink, you guys, and then we're going to with a nice glitter from MAC is Lip Glass. And that's just going to tone the pink down a little, make it not so bright. I'm gonna add just a little bit of this gold glitter to the front parts of my eye. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that nice, cute Valentine's Day makeup look. And if you guys love the look and you like what you see, definitely go and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Click that little red button at the bottom and the bell next to it so you are alerted when I upload new videos. Yes! Bye, you guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, loves.